Hello students, in the previous video I have explained some text functions, and if you want to access that video you can click on the link which is given in the description box. So now today I am going to teach you some more text function in Excel. So let's start. Firstly we will see trim function. Trim function basically is used to remove extra space from a text string. For example, I have typed Microsoft Excel and I have written this text by using extra space between these two words. And now if I want to remove the extra space between Microsoft and Excel, I will use trim function. Like I will type trim and then open the bracket and then give the cell address which is F2 and then close the bracket and then press enter. Now you can see the changes. The extra space between these two words is removed. Now the next is substitute function. Substitute function is used to replace existing text with new text. For example, if I want to change this sales and I want to write cost data instead of sales data, then I will choose or use substitute function. For this, equal sign and then function name and then bracket. We can also click on that cell instead of typing the cell address, and then I will type the old text. Old text means that text which I want to change. And just remember one thing, if you are typing any text, then here we will use double quotes before the text. And then sales, close this inverted comma or double quotes, and then a new text will be typed, cost, enter. Now our sales data is now changed into cost data. Let's take one more example. I want to change these two O and I want to write this spelling of Pune. So same process I will do. Substitute and then choose that cell and the text which I want to change or replace, and comma, a new text or new character. You can also type a single character and then enter. Now see, our spelling is now changed. Instead of typing or writing these formulas or functions, you can just click on the required function by using function library, which is given in the formula tab. For using this, we need to click on formula tab, and then you can see there are different categories like logical function, financial function, text function, date and time, lookup, math, etc. For using substitute function, click on text function, substitute, and then text, sales data. Now this time I want to change this data with database. So I will write data as an old text and then new text, now see, our sales data now becomes sales database.